everyone, welcome back. So I have another shipment, my monthly shipment through Young Living that I can't wait to share with you. And I actually, okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it because being on the loyalty program, you can plan ahead. So that's what I do. Every month when my shipment has been processed, I'll get another list going for the following month. So sorry about the quality here. I don't know what's going on. So I have some more aroma glides. I must have forgotten to take these off, but you know what? I'm going to use them anyway because like I said in the last video, you can reuse your bottles, your essential oil bottles. Once the essential oil is completely gone, you can reuse them, make your own blends, perfumes, colognes, things like that. So excellent. I'm actually glad I forgot to take them off because I could use more of those. All right, so, my little doggy, all right, okay, I had to get more toothpaste, obviously, we go through that a lot. Another exciting thing is the charcoal bar soap. I've never used, my dog wants to go out. Hold on. So I've never used charcoal bar soap. I know there's charcoal masks and other products out there, but this is seed to seal. There's no sulfates, no parabens, dyes, synthetic fragrances, or preservatives. Anybody who's used charcoal bar soaps, I mean, I know it's a popular thing these days, I don't know, but I can't wait to use it. It says here with the powerful absorption properties of activated charcoal powder, this deep cleansing bar for face and body purifies and deodorizes the skin while keeping it moisturized and hydrated, which is what I need because I have dry skin. So I can't wait to use this. Okay, so this is a kit I got, everyday oils. It comes with 5 essential oils and 5 essential oil blends. So I can't wait. Let me see. It has, let's see, essential oils. It has frankincense, lavender, lemon vitality, peppermint vitality, tea tree. Now the blends, let's see, it has joy, pan away, purification, stress away, thieves vitality. So I'm so excited because there's so many things. Some of these I already have. Ooh, I don't have lemon vitality, which is really cool. But again, some of these oils I already have, but I don't have joy, I don't have purification. So I'm really excited. And I'll go through and in a different video these oils and how they can be used and what they're good for. Oh, I just love oils. I am oil obsessed. I don't know if I've said that on previous videos, but I am. Okay, so these are the ones I got free because of how many points I got. So I got regular peppermint. It's probably backwards too, but now I do have a couple bottles of peppermint vitality, and I put peppermint. I like inhale it. I have bad sinuses, so peppermint really helps. Or you can put a little dab and stuff like that. So I love using peppermint. This is something else I got free. This is Citrus Fresh regular oil. There is a Citrus Fresh Vitality, and the Vitality, you can use those in foods and drinks. And next month, I am getting all of the Vitality oils I need to make the recipes that are in my Young Living book. And that was a couple of months ago with the cutlery kit. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be making some meals from those recipes using Young Living essential oils Vitalities. Okay, so again, citrus fresh. And I have done a few things with this. Fantastic. It's fantastic. And I'll do different videos. So I got more free oils. Let's see. Okay, gotta be careful. All right, Valor. I love Valor. This I actually bought. I bought this myself because I love it. I love it. I put it on throughout the day on my wrist and neck, and yes, you can put this directly on your skin. For some of the other oils, you do need to dilute it. So Young Living has a great oil. It's for general purposes. It's V6 vegetable oil complex, and it's very good. It's for general purposes. You can use it for whatever you want. And then this is another bottle I got free. It's tangerine. I'm sorry about the light. Like I said, I don't have a huge production. I don't have that. So I do my best. I work with what I have, and I work up to that point, I guess. So again, with all of these that I got with in my loyalty program, my subscribe and save. Oh, okay. Well, okay. So with all of this, all of these products here, oh, I can't wait to dip into my everyday oils. I got these free, and every month I get free products. Just depends on how many points I rack up in a shipment. But so excellent products, and I am so excited to be a brand partner with Young Living, and it's such a great company. So if you have any questions and comments, feel free to contact me anytime. I also have a new website, stacyholman.com. So make sure you check that out. Again, it's stacyholman.com, STACEYHOLMAN.com. So I hope to see you there, and I will definitely see you next month. But I will also be doing shorter videos every now and then, explaining more different oils, because I really think I need to get some more videos out there with certain oils, and really explain to you in depth how these oils are fantastic for yourself, for your family, for your pets, for your home. It is so important for me to just focus on certain things, and from there how you can apply them in your home and your life. So I know I'm like all over the map here, but I'm just really excited. I have so many ideas for videos, and I want to thank you so much for your support and for the likes and shares. And again, check out my website. It's full of fantastic information. I also have a blog page on there as well. I'm still building that up, but please check it out. I want your opinions, your feedback. It really helps business entrepreneurs like myself grow. So again, it's stacyholman.com, and I love you. Take care of yourselves, and happy health.